Vishwaja today is a very talented Toastmaster and a young Toastmaster who joined, as I thought, the ICG Toastmasters Club at the right time. What is the best time to join? I think it is Vishwaja's time. And we have Vishwaja in front of me. We have the 200th meeting ahead of us, and this question answer session will probably inspire other Toastmasters, young Toastmasters, to join the ICG Toastmasters Club. So my first question to you, Vishwaja, is why did you join Toastmasters?
Okay, so when I was in college, I realized that with my friends I was myself, but in situations when I didn't know people, unfamiliar situations, I was very scared to open up, speak freely. So my first thing which I had in my mind was to join, the reason behind joining Toastmasters was to conquer this fear. And secondly, it was my dream since a kid to become a very good speaker, speak in front of hundreds of people. So I joined Toastmasters because of these two reasons mainly.
Okay, having joined Toastmasters since February 2020, what has been your biggest challenge?
My biggest challenge, I would say, was during the start of my journey. It's actually very intimidating when you have very experienced members in the club, especially Sharmila ma'am or you. So it was difficult for me to just start with my journey. But once I started, oh God, I couldn't just stop.
Yeah, I've seen your enthusiasm with every role that you have played, be it the smaller roles or being the Toastmaster of the day, the amount of preparation that you have done. How much of preparation do you do before a Toastmaster meeting?
Okay. So if it's a minor role, a small role, initially I used to prepare maybe a day before that, but now I can take up minor roles instantly. But if it's a speech, then I do prepare maybe a week in advance. I like my content to be structured and organized. But if I'm doing it in some other club and nobody knows me, I sometimes try and do it on the spur of the moment, just to see how the reaction is.
Wonderful, wonderful. I think that's a wonderful answer. Now it's going to be a very personal question, Vishwaja. Would you like the guy whom you're going to marry be a Toastmaster?
Okay. It would be nice to have a Toastmaster as my life partner, but I think if the other person is also a Toastmaster, there's a fair chance that we get into an argument and it's a debate. So I would like to be the Toastmaster in the pair, the only Toastmaster amongst us. So I would say no.
Okay, that seems to be a very frank answer, though you could be Toastmasters in different clubs, which happens to most Toastmasters. And believe me, you will gain the maturity of handling your spouse both at work and besides work. So that's my take on this. Besides Toastmasters and besides working and besides your engineering degree, what are your other hobbies?
I am a very creative person, so I think painting or photography or even reading, writing for that matter, gives a way to my thoughts, and it just stimulates new perspectives in me. And I also like movies. They just give me a new direction sometimes.
Do you feel that your father or your mother should join Toastmasters?
Yes, I feel my father or my mother should join Toastmasters. They'll get to meet wonderful people and they'll know that their daughter is not as naughty as they think I am.
Okay, I think that's a very fair answer, Vishwaja, because what you experience, you want your close ones to experience, be it a father or a mother or an aunt or a niece or a nephew. So I think that's fair enough. So I think, Vishwaja, you have all the potential to one day become the president of the ICG Toastmasters Club, and I'm only waiting for the day when you are a president of the club and we all work to making the club a more better place to be in. So all the very best, Vishwaja, and as part of the 200th meeting, it was my pleasure to interview a very young Toastmaster, and I'm sure that Vishwaja will one day be the president of the club, and who knows, she might be the best speaker in the district as well. So all the very best.
Thank you so much, Umesh.